What's up guys? Last week on my Instagram I posted a picture of this thing. This is a Dji Osmo Pocket strapped on my Bangkok. This camera is definitely not designed for something like this, so don't try this at home because I am a professional. Anyways, in the name of science, I just wanted to see if something like this would work. The first time I mounted the camera this way. With the gimbal mounted this way, the results were horrible. I'm pretty sure the camera on the Osmo Pocket is the same camera used on their DJI drones, but if you look at the way they're mounted on the drones, they're suspended in a way to eliminate vibration. This is definitely not the case with the way I strapped it on my quad. As you can see, there's major jello. The camera has 3 gimbal modes: tilt, lock, follow, and FPV. You'd think the FPV would be the mode to use, but all that mode did was film the ground because that camera mode kind of follows whichever way you tilt the camera. And with a quad like this, when you're flying forward, the quad is always tilting forward, so it's like it points it to the ground. So I used the tilt lock mode so the camera would stay locked on the horizon. This video looks really weird because on a race quad we're used to seeing the horizon move up and down as you go faster, but with the gimbal locked on the horizon it's hard to gauge the speed you're flying. And then when I try to do a roll, the roll just completely made the gimbal flip out and it lost the positioning as you can see here. So on my second attempt I mounted the camera this way with a buttload of these little gel sticky pads. They kind of help stick the camera on here, but you can see on the bottom I have like 3 of them, and then on right here I have another, and then with the Velcro strap I put another on top, so it kind of like absorbs a lot of the vibration. So this flight was particularly risky because this clip was done after my Bangkok crash test video. Those last 2 crashes into the steel concrete light post took out my OSD, and motor 3 was acting a little bit twitchy. So if I gave it too much throttle, the quad would dip to the back left side, so I was really gentle on the throttle. The video here is much better. Looks like the jello is gone and the video is actually really nice. Once again, I used the tilt lock gimbal mode, but you can see the gimbal did start kind of drifting down because before I took off, I adjusted the gimbal slightly pointing up. Now it's kind of drifting down. And then once again, I tried to roll and the gimbal just flipped out. Even though the Osmo Pocket wasn't designed for this, you can still get really good 4K gimbal footage until the video starts until the gimbal starts kind of dropping down. So this video is going to be a little bit shorter because I spent most of my week reviewing this camera. If you're interested in seeing the full review of this camera, I posted the video on my personal YouTube channel. That channel is going to be a lot of vlog style videos about camping, travel, or any other like cool experiences that I get into. So if you're into that kind of stuff, it'd be sweet if you hop over to that channel and give me a sub. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!